Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Login. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset your password for a Heritage Bank account. If you've forgotten your password during the login process while logging into your Heritage online banking account, then keep watching the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet, and also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Open up a web browser first. Once you do that, in the URL box at the top type in heritage.com.au and make a search. You'll end up in the official website of Heritage Bank, which looks like this. Go to the login button at the upper right hand corner in order to end up in the login area. Go ahead and type in your member number into the first text box where it says member number. Make sure to type it in correct. Head over to the password text field, and if you happen to remember the password during the process, type it in. But if you don't, you can simply go ahead and call on this number over here. Once you call to this number, you'll receive an assistance on what to do in case you don't remember your password at all. Simply follow what it has to say and you'll be able to create a new password for yourself while logging into your Heritage Bank account. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Again, thank you for watching.